Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Melina from Me Crafty Scrapper on Instagram and here on YouTube. Thank you so much for coming back and finding my next video. I've been on a roll lately and I'm really loving these kits from Cocoa Daisy, and July does not disappoint. If you have not watched my unboxing video of the July kit, please go back and watch that. I will leave a link for that video down in the description, and it goes over all of the kit ingredients. But today I'm going to show you how I have set up my July planner, and two of my favorite things in these kits are the rub-ons. This is the one that comes in the main planner kit, and this is the one that comes in the pocket memory keeping kit. And then the washi tape. This was the one, the little swimming fish is the one from the main planner kit. And then the little different color bubbles is the one from the pocket memory keeping kit. So these have already been used in my planner for July, and I'm going to show you how I set that up. Now, I am not the most intricate and creative of people when it comes to setting up a planner because we change it every month. So my planner setup is usually very simple. I actually did get a new cover for this month because I wanted this iridescent looking beautiful B6 planner cover, traveler's notebook cover, for this beautiful kit that goes along right with these colors that's in the iridescent cover. I will leave information on all of my inserts and the planner cover itself. I will leave the info down in the description about where I've gotten all of this from. This will start here with my charm that's on the planner this month. I actually received this in a swap trade many years ago, and it was 4 planners, and we all just kind of done pen pal kind of stuff, and a lady sent me this charm because I had told her how much I love the beach and the sea and all that. So I thought, even though it's a green color on the charms that is not in this kit, I had to use it because the kit's called To the Sea. I mean, you got to use it. So this is a regular B6 cover. I make my insert wraps B6 wide. And before I thought about it, using a regular B6 cover, I went ahead and was making my wraps for my inserts, and I made them B6 wide. So that's why they are showing on the outside of the cover. I usually don't like that, but you know, I had already cut them and I didn't want to cut too much off of the first wrap, and you'll see why in a moment. So I just left it as is, and you can see my first cover past the, my first wrap past the cover. Oh well. This is the July pen that comes in the Cocoa Daisy main planner kit. But this one was the one that came in the April main planner kit, and it goes so well with this kit that I went ahead and I'm just using it too. So I'll have 2 pens for this month. No one can have too many pretty pens. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off of my clip that's back here if I can. There we go. That's a little harder than it should be. I'll fix that later. So you will find better planner setups elsewhere on other people's YouTube channels. We have so many creative, wonderful people on the Cocoa Daisy planner design teams. you're going to find a whole lot prettier and a whole lot more intricate, creative planner setups than mine. But I thought I would share it anyways because these kits are so cute this month. So for my front cover, on this Traveler's Notebook cover, I just have the long one pocket front and back. I used my little applique piece, which is that turtle on his shell. Too cute. I used that, and I don't like doing it permanently, so it's on a glue dot. So that's why it's a little rocking and rolling there. It's just got a glue dot behind it to keep it there for the month, and then, you know, I'll change next month. This is one of the notepads that comes in the kits, and I just have it, if you can see here, it's one of those bobby pin clips, and I've got the ripply bobby pin part back behind the pocket, and then this is just holding that notebook pad there. I have in my pocket just the To the Sea card, because when I am posting YouTube or Instagram pictures, videos, I'm constantly forgetting the name of the kits. So that's my constant reminder, and it's too cute. So that's always good. Then I have the planner, one of the planner sticker sheets there in my pocket. My first wrap is this gorgeous To the Sea paper, and this is why I just couldn't bear to cut it down, because I had already had to cut off, because this is a B6 planner. I already had to cut off some of the cute little critters, so I didn't want to cut it down anymore. When I'm making my wraps and I'm making them wide, sometimes I will add different papers to the edge with some washi, and it's kind of like a tip in, but it's just decorative there. I have one of the tabs there at the top that I adhered just to the wrap, and I hand wrote weekly planner there, and I will show you. This week is not finished, but there is the start of my spread this week. And I have an ollie clip there that's mermaid scales, and I thought went really well with To the Sea. So that's there. And I'm going to push that down there. And then look how cute those little critters are. Very cute. And when I'm making my wraps, like I said, when I'm doing this in my planner, it's temporary. It's just for the month. So they're paper clipped to my inserts. See, there's the back. There's the back of that insert. That's the back cover of that insert. And that wrap is just around it with a paper clip. This is my faith journal. And again, it's just paper clipped to that insert. There's the front cover of that insert. And I put one of the quart pieces there with a die cut, and wrote faith journal on another tab, and then put a little pretty die cut there so it kind of peeks out on the top. And I'll show you top view in just a minute when we're done. So that's faith journal. And I forgot to say, this insert is from So Much Crafting. Yeah, So Much Crafting on Etsy, and they have a website also. I'm just trying to use up the inserts that I got from her, because I'm going to eventually start using the Cocoa Daisy planner inserts. I just felt like I really needed to use these up before I started using Cocoa Daisies. Faith journal. This insert is from paperpenguinco on Etsy, and it's got lots and lots and lots of pages, so I can faith journal till my little heart is content. This is just a little binder clip that had the same greens in it as the kit. I got that in one of those little swap shop kind of things, like my outside clip or charm. And then this clip I made myself. I'm kind of crafty that way sometimes. I made that myself with some ribbon and different kinds of trims, and it was neutral enough that I thought it went really well with this kit this month. This is Everyday Journal. It's actually my Where I Stand journal. I've got a standard traveler's notebook that I do most of my journaling in, but this one has everyday stuff in it, so I went ahead and just put Everyday Journal because Where I Stand journal wouldn't fit on the tab when I wrote it. Haha. So I used another tab from the main planner kit, and then this Relax and Unwind piece is a phrase sticker from last month, the Serengeti kit. It's one of those from last month, a little phrase sticker. So I added that there. A little coral reef and some fish die cut there on the bottom of that one. And like I said, Where I Stand, it's just Where I Stand, and then I write about that. It's just a creative journal just to get me going. Now here, this will show you, I didn't clip this one so I could show you. That's the back of that insert. This insert again is from paperpenguinco. It's a dot grid that Faith Journal is a regular grid insert, both B6, and this one's a dot grid. But I didn't put the clip on the back of this one just so you could see it's just a wrap, and you know, I will clip that there. Let me go ahead and get if I've got one here. Can do this one. Okay, and then cover and then wrap. And then I just clip it in there, that way it's all set up. And on the back side of this one, this wrap, I put one of the 3x4 cards from the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. And I only put adhesive on the 3 sides so that I could make a little pocket there. And this one is the sticky pad, and I had to take off quite a bit because we do get a lot of sheets every month. And so I took off quite a bit on top so it would stay in there and it wouldn't pull up my corners, and it wouldn't be so bulky on the back side of that wrap. But there's my little notepad if needed. Got the notepad in the front too. I'm always making notes, so I need those. When I don't have a pin loop on a traveler's notebook cover, I use a binder clip. And if you won't get it so close to the edge, pull it out some there. And then this one is a hollow one. The solid ones, of course, probably work better, but I'm good with that. And that's how you use that binder clip to make yourself a little pin loop. Now, the hollow ones are a little harder to get out. When you use the solid ones, they go in and come right out. So that's an easy way to make yourself a pin loop if you don't have one on your traveler's notebook cover. On the back, I have my Hobonichi sticker kit along with the stickers that came in the main planner kit. I have that adhered back here just so that, you know, if I want to add something to one of my inserts, it's right there at my hands. This is the little cardstock stickers that were in the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. And I just cut that in half. It was like so. And I just cut it, well, not half, but, you know, just so it would fit and I wouldn't cut up any of the stickers. I've got that back there. And that is holding all of that in place so it doesn't go flying everywhere. I'll put my pen back on. That hard, hollow binder clip. Oh, and I'll have to put some more adhesive there. But anyway, I like the little pocket I made. I thought that was very cute. But that is my setup for this month. Like I said, in my standard traveler's notebook, I do a lot of journaling, and so I don't really set up per se my standard journal every month. I just start using the insert that's in it, and if it's all used up, I go to the next one that I've got on hand. And I use the Simple Dory in my standard. What else? Seems like I'm leaving something out. Here's the Simple Dory for this month that I'll be putting in my standard and using. Oh, I know what it was. Next month, I will be moving into B6 rings. I haven't been in rings in a long time. I love the Traveler's Notebook, but I want to go back to rings just because. And I'm planning on having quite a bit more in my rings. So, be looking for that next month. But that was what I was going to say. I'm in Traveler's Notebook this month. Next month, I'll be going to B6 rings. I love the size. The A5 and A6 seems a bit big for me. If I want to take this somewhere, I can. It's not hard to travel with. Standard, it does travel well. It stays in, there's one that stays in my purse a lot. But I do love B6. I love the size. I love the compactness of it. I do have a personal that I carry in my purse as a wallet. That I got from Christina's Leather on Facebook. But I do love this B6 size. It's short and squatty, and I kind of like that, I guess. Well, I'm not short. I am squatty. I'm not short, though. This is... oh, chasing rabbits. That's a southern term. This is the top view. There's that clip that I made. And my tabs up top, and you can see the binder clips there too. And then see how I did that die cut so it's kind of peeking up too. So there's what it looks like from the top. My wonky pen. There's side. I think it is very cute this month. I like my iridescent cover, and I love that spine. Even though that spine did look more coral than pink, but it looks more pink now that I have it. But, you know, I'm good with that. I'm not really a pink girl, but I like this cover. All right, thanks for sticking with me. And y'all have a blessed day. And go out and plan something. Bye, y'all.